Hello and welcome you back to Nilachal Polytechnic video lecture classes. I am your faculty Dipankar Ghosh. In today's videos we are going to study about filter which are used basically in the diesel engine. So as we know, the fuel filter or diesel engine can filter out the harmful impurities or moisture in the fuel system, protect the normal work of the engine. So it is necessary that the fuel being forced by the pump must be free from the solid particles of dust or dirt. Therefore, to keep the long life of all components of fuel injection system, it is essential to provide a fuel filter. There are many types of fuel filters used in automobile vehicles. The materials basically what we are using for preparing the filters are here. You can see this figure here. Filters are different for each. There are the material which are using is cloth, felt, combination of cloth and felt, and the last one is your paper. To remove the unwanted impurities from diesel, a fuel filter is used. The fuel at first comes into the filter, and after filtering it goes to the pump. Dust and heavy particles remains in the lower portion of the bubble. The bubble, filter paper and spring can be removed by unscrewing the screw provided through the cleaning. So here you can see we are having this one is the filtering area, and here is the input of this filter, and here after filtering this portion, here this black portion, the white portion, we are having this is the area to the diesel is entered, and after due to the fuel pump operation it sucked the oil. So definitely the dust particles are remain in the lower side of this ball, and the clean oil which are enter into here, and this portion that is the discharge to deliver to the other devices what we are using in fuel supply system. The purpose of any diesel fuel filter is to remove the frozen particles as well as the water. The use of a suitable filtration system on diesel engine is must to avoid damage to closely fitted injection pump and injector components. Filters ability varies between the type of manufacturer. On diesel engines, primary and secondary filters has been used. The primary filters is capable to remove dirt particles down to 30 microns, and the secondary filters between 10 to 12 microns. Secondary filters are available between 3 and 5 microns, which are used in service operation. These primary filters is usually located between tank and the supply pump. The FWS is one type of the primary filters. The secondary filters between the supply pump and the injection pump. So here these are the some filtering material. Diesel fuel filters it referred to as fuel flow filter because of all the fuel must passes through its before reaching the injection pump. Some filters used internal replaceable elements inside a ball or cell. They are commonly referred to as a cell and eliminate design. Most fuel filters used today are of the speed-on type, which allow the faster change out since the complete filter is a throwaway. That means after these filters are having few months, then we change it by we simply replace it, not to clean it. Besides it, if the filter is installed on the pressure side of the boost pump, it must have sufficient strength to handle pump pressure without bursting or leakage. The filter must be located well away from the source of heat and preferably outside the engine component. So we must have to protect it from the high pressure, because these filtering elements are basically made with cloth, felt, or combination of cloth and felt and paper. So it cannot handle that much of pressure. So this is all about your fuel filter which we are using in various automobiles. Thank you.